Over the years, it's been brought to my attention that some people don't like my eyebrows. I'm shocked, quite frankly, that on the internet, of all places, people would criticize strangers about their appearance. I've never heard of that before. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Over the past few months, I have been very kindly informed by multiple people from all walks of life, all ages, all genders, that my eyebrows are too much, too big, too bushy, too over the top. And so I've had this kit lying around for a while now, and I thought after some recent comments about my brows, I thought I would make them bigger. So I've had this eyebrow extension kit lying around my office for the past year or so, and I was waiting for the perfect moment to use it. And this moment right here feels pretty perfect. So this is the Pro Idea Instant Eyebrow Extensions Gel Kit. Now, I'm just gonna show you what this kit consists of. And this is why I don't drink wine on my laptop. Oh no, 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 no. The worst thing is, I had literally like 3 sips. You probably all thought I was wasted. Oh no. Wait, I need to show you this. Luckily, none of it's actually gone on my equipment. I don't fucking care, I'm still drinking. Assistant, can I please get a refill? There's no one there. I'm talking to a wall. Anyway, before I was interrupted by my own incompetence, I'm just gonna show you what's inside here. A pair of plastic tweezers, a tiny little brush. But the thing that I think you guys are really gonna enjoy is this. And yes, that pretty much is a tub of gel and hair. I don't know whose hair. Quite frankly, I don't care. Oh, oh, oh. Nice. So today, I'm gonna need more wine for this, I think. I then wonder why people like ask me if I drink a lot, because in reality, I actually don't. Every time I do, I just do it on camera. So don't look at my bum when I stand up and walk away. And that wasn't me farting, that was my chair, okay? We're good? Don't look at my bum. Okay. Stupid proof, kind of. So I think the best way to do this is to perhaps start off a little bit more natural and maybe just take the brush. And I guess the idea with this is we're just gonna have to finesse it. Just these little, I mean, this literally looks like something that I would pull out of the drain. How are you doing, Oliver?
I'm alright, how are you doing?
Fine.
How's your video going?
About to put some on my eyebrows.
Because you're covered in wine.
I spit it on camera as well.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, let's start off fairly natural, and I'm just gonna brush this onto my brows. Oh, interesting. An interesting texture to have on my face. I've potentially had worse textures on my face. Make of that what you will. I would like to try this at first to see just how realistic and natural this is. However, first impressions, not that natural. Let's like stamp instead. This is exactly what I was looking for. Yes, celebratory wine sip. I'd like to add a little bit more thickness to them for that kind of like, that Jess Hunt look, you know? Right now I feel like me and Jess Hunt look very similar actually. She might be just a little bit better looking than me. Just a little bit. But Jess, I'm coming for you, man. I do actually know Jess, so please don't think I'm making fun of her. Like, she's like one of the best looking people ever, and I actually love her eyebrows. So right now, I'm just gonna even everything up a little bit, because I don't wanna look stupid or anything. You know how every couple of decades, a true artist emerges? Here I am. This wine smells a little bit funny. It tastes fine, but it smells funny. I think it might be a little bit old. I would like to give a round of applause to myself, and please feel free to join in with me. Okay, so now we simply must add to this look with, like, not too much. I don't want to get overboard, but a little bit in here. I hope this doesn't affect my respiratory system. But I look fabulous, so who cares about that? I don't really want to breathe, like through my nose, because I'm worried I will quite literally inhale it and I have no idea what the chemicals are in here. And then obviously because everyone's been saying that they want me to be more natural, I of course have to add a little, I don't necessarily want to add that much, but let's add a couple of little mustache hairs. There it is. Kind of feel like I'm breathing in the fumes of this gel stuff, because whatever this is, smells interesting. Kind of smells like that wine a little bit actually. But yeah, I'm currently just slightly inhaling it. I like that it's like meshing with my foundation and kind of forming a paste. That's it. Craig David, where you at? Oh shit, I'm right here. So then goatee, perhaps? Mild goatee. Fuck yeah. I'd date me. What about you? If you say no, you're lying to yourself. Sorry if I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder, I just can't take my eyes off myself. Ollie dear, please will you come and review my face?
What have you done?
What's up?
You look like you've got pubes stuck to your forehead.
Take a closer look.
See how fucking bad that looks?
Bad like, oh she
Where's
bad.
your nose?
Natural. Bad as in like a bad bitch, yeah?
Get away.
Bad. Oh, she bad. Yeah, that girl, she's the baddest bitch I know. So obviously he loves it.
Shut up. Do you want a toasted sandwich?
What kind of filling?
Do you want one or not?
What are you putting in
Do
it?
you want one or not?
I need to know what's inside.
No, yes or no?
No, because I don't want to waste ingredients.
Would I make a shit toasted sandwich?
Are you putting mayo in there and cheese?
Shut up. Do you want one or not?
Ham?
Do you want one or not?
Have we
We
got-
have ham.
What have we got?
We've got meat. What do you want?
That.
So yes.
Yes. Please. Oh, it feels good to be my natural self again. Thank you all for letting me be just me. As I am. It just feels so right. And this wine smells so wrong. I wonder if we can brush them? That one we certainly can. My favorite thing, should we do some eyebrow ASMR? So please, if you did enjoy this video, if you found it helpful, which like I said, of course you did, please do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me, because I upload very, very serious makeup tutorials, very informative videos. And if you guys do want to see more super informative, incredibly serious videos from me, then please do click that subscribe button, because I upload new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys. I love wine more, but I also love you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Oh, shit. Subscribe!